Welcome to category number 1, Class 1 exhaust hoods, back of house. Today we'll be learning about the use and function of Class 1 hoods in a standard restaurant application. Class 1 exhaust hoods are required by the International Mechanical Code to be installed over cooking appliances that produce or emit smoke, heat, or grease-laden vapors such as ranges, fryers, grills, and charbroilers. Now, in addition to your introduction to Class 1 exhaust hoods, ducts, and fans, we will be producing additional videos on Class 1 exhaust hoods, such as how to field measure and quote Class 1 exhaust hoods. So be sure to check back in the future for updates. Today, we'll be learning about the components of Class 1 exhaust hoods. These components include exhaust hoods, exhaust fans and curbs, supply fans and curbs, and duct systems. Let's get started with the exhaust hood. Class 1 exhaust hoods, or canopies, are the primary device for capturing the grease-laden vapor, heat, and smoke that emits from the cooking equipment. Canopies are comprised of a filter bank, filters, grease trough, grease cup, exhaust riser, supply riser, lights, and make-up air perforated plenum. Exhaust hoods are made from type 304 or 430 grade stainless steel and are available in all stainless steel or stainless steel wear exposed for economy applications. Stainless steel wear exposed simply means what can be seen is stainless steel. The top panel against the ceiling is made from standard steel. The length and width of the canopy is determined by the overall length and width of the equipment under the hood. Exhaust hoods are available in 48-inch, 54-inch, and 60-inch deep. Heights are available in 24-inch and 30-inch tall. The International Mechanical Code requires that canopies must extend beyond all cooking surfaces by a minimum of 6 inches on the front and ends. This is to ensure the hood is large enough to capture the rising, hot, grease-laden air as it expands up and away from the cooking surface. The filter bank, which holds the filters in place, is installed at a 45-degree angle inside the hood. The most common filter used in Class 1 exhaust hoods is the S-baffle type. The S-baffle design essentially whips grease particles out of the airstream as the grease-laden vapor passes through the filter. The grease drains down the filter and into the grease trough. The grease trough drains the grease into the grease cup located at the end of the hood for removal. S-filters are easily removed for cleaning by raising the filter slightly and sliding the bottom out. S-filters are available from manufacturers in aluminum or stainless steel. Now, even the best filter systems do not remove all of the grease from the airstream. Periodic cleaning of the ductwork will need to be performed by a licensed professional. The frequency of cleaning is determined by the cooking load and the amount of grease accumulated over a given period of time. And finally, factory pre-wired incandescent light fixtures with tempered glass globes are available as an option. Bulbs are not included with light fixtures and will need to be purchased by your customer. Once the grease-laden air passes through the filters, it exits the hood through the top-mounted riser. The riser is connected to the duct, where it travels to the exhaust fan and exits the building. The exhaust ductwork is typically constructed of a heavy gauge steel and is required to have a liquid tight weld on all welded joints and fire wrap insulation to prevent flame or heat transfer to wood or other combustibles. Exhaust fans feature an aluminum exterior housing and are comprised of a 115, 208, or 240-volt single-phase motor, wheel pulley, and belt that pulls the air through the ductwork and out to the exterior of the building. These fans are commonly called centrifugal upblast exhaust fans. The size of the exhaust fan and CFM is determined by the length of the exhaust hood. Exhaust fans can extract from 150 to 600 CFMs per lineal foot of hood. So, for example, a 10-foot long hood with 200 CFMs per foot of hood would require a fan that produces 2,000 CFMs. Exhaust fans are mounted on a curb, which is attached to the building. Now, fans and curbs can be located in 3 primary locations. The first is the wall mount application. Wall-mounted fans require a flat curb that is mounted on the exterior wall of the building. Wall mount fans and curbs are typically utilized when there are multiple stories or floors above the kitchen area. Roof-mounted fans and curbs are available in two styles: flat roof curbs and sloped roof curbs. Flat roof curbs are of the same design as wall curbs, but mounted on a flat-style roof for fan mounting. Sloped roof curbs are used in applications where the building or structure has a pitched roof. Now, when specifying sloped roof curb applications, you will need to speak with the contractor or owner to determine the roof pitch so the hood manufacturer can ship the correct curb with your exhaust hood and fans. Supply fans or makeup air fans are required by International Mechanical Code to be included with hood systems to replace the air that is extracted by the exhaust fan. Supply fans are designed by hood manufacturers to replace 70 to 80% of the exhaust air as a general rule. For example, if your customer has a 10-foot hood and the exhaust fan is rated at 200 CFMs per lineal foot, the total CFMs or cubic feet per minute would be 2,000 CFMs. The supply fans for 70% makeup air would be 1,400 CFMs and 1,600 CFMs for 80% makeup. In addition, supply fans assist in the balancing of airflows to prevent building pressure-related problems as well as utility savings. Makeup air fans typically have a side intake and are required by code to be at least 10 feet away from the exhaust fan to prohibit grease-laden air from exiting the exhaust fan from re-entering the building through the makeup air fan. Makeup air fans are available in 115, 208, and 240-volt single-phase and in non-heated and heated makeup air units for colder climates. This simply means the outside air is tempered or heated as it passes through the supply duct before entering the plenum. The plenum runs the length of the hood and is located on the front exterior of the hood. Plenums feature perforated holes the entire length of the plenum to allow for a gentle down discharge of the incoming air. The air flows down the face of the hood and is where a large percentage is recaptured by the exhaust fan, pulling it back into the hood and out the exhaust duct to complete the cycle of airflow. Control panels and light switches for Class 1 exhaust hoods and fans are typically located on the front of the hood for easy access or in a wall-mounted control panel. In closing, make sure you let your customer know they will require several trades to complete the installation of their Class 1 exhaust hood. They include a general contractor to provide the roof, ceiling, or wall penetrations for the ductwork, a roofing contractor to seal the roof curbs to the roof if the fans are located on the roof, an HVAC contractor to install the ductwork, curb, and fans, and an electrical contractor to bring power to the fans and exhaust hood. This concludes your overview video for Category 1, Class 1 Exhaust Hoods, Back of House. Select your next overview video. Good luck, and thanks for watching.